Okay, so this is the beginning of quarter 2 information. So if you click um, on the main screen, or whenever you clicked on the main screen to find this video, you will see important files and then you'll see week 9. You won't see this folder. It is unpublished for you guys. So you'll only see 2 folders. That way you're not getting confused on which folder to open, and you don't have to scroll through a whole bunch of them to find what you're supposed to be working on. Um, when you get in here, you will see it says take the survey. Make sure you're logged into your Google Drive or this will not show up at the bottom. So click on that and it'll take you to your Google Drive and it will let you log in. Um, Make sure you'll also see this video right here. That's where you should be watching it. But again, I'm recording it right now, so that's why you can't see it while I'm looking at it. This survey, all this survey is for me to get an idea of how you feel like you did the first quarter. So you see how many Zooms did you attend, how many assignments. Again, just be honest. It is just for me to know how you're honestly feeling. And if you feel like you have to lie on it, then that's not going to help me at all. Um, so, how did you feel you did first quarter? What are some things that you can do to be more successful? Um, and then, of course, when I ask you what you can improve on, I want to know what you think I can improve on. You will see this disclaimer here. So, be realistic in what you're expecting me to do. Um, Keep in mind, I have children. I'm also only paid from 7:30 to 4 each day. So that says 7:30. It's supposed to be 8, but that's okay. Um, and I have a 30-minute lunch break. So be realistic. Yes, I usually respond to emails later than that. Yes, I am working later than that, but just be realistic. Don't say that I should respond to emails at midnight, because, like I said, I have my own kids, I have my own life. Um, so keep in mind, we are also going a lot slower than some of the other schools. They have Zoom every single day for like an hour. I think they have it just like normal classes, some of the other schools. And not that that's wrong, that's probably good, but the way that Hermosa has decided to approach things is not make you guys sit and work for hours and hours and hours all day long. So, and I completely agree with that. I don't think anybody wants to stare at their computer all day long. So, be realistic. Like I'm saying, we cannot move slower. Miss Chavez and I have started trying to do an assignment one day, a video one day, and then the assignment the next day. Sometimes with an easy assignment, we'll make them on the same day. If it's a short video, we'll have an easy assignment, but please don't put on there that I need to go slower, only one assignment or week or anything like that. That's just not realistic. You have to be ready for next year. And so we're going to have to teach, or you're going to have to learn. Okay. So these are just some simple things that I could think of that you could click, or you can type here down at the bottom what things you think I can do to improve. So if you have not been doing anything all quarter or the whole first quarter, I have some good news for you. We are starting a new topic. This new topic has nothing to do with transformations. I mean, it has like, I'm going to probably say the word transformation one time, but it's in a completely different sense, um, or a different context. So just if you haven't been doing anything, don't think that as soon as you start, you're going to feel like you're behind and you have no clue what's going on. It is a brand new topic, and I'm going to be teaching it from the very, very beginning. And you will not need what we did first quarter in order to be successful um, in this topic or this quarter that we're going to be starting. So please, now is the time to start if you haven't been doing anything. I know I got a couple of emails last week just saying, sorry, I just couldn't do it. I was just overwhelmed. I couldn't figure things out. And so now they I hope that some of you guys realize that you can start and that you hopefully will not feel overwhelmed. Um, so, like I said, it is a new quarter, it is a new topic. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully, you have gotten an idea of how I run my class. So I do the videos, then I do the assignment. Work habits comes from completing the assignments. Those of you that got a 3.0, I sent you an email and I told you what you could do to get a 4.0. And those were the students that had worked really hard all quarter. They got their assignments, they had all of their assignments done. They had a 3.0 for both work habits and a 3.0 for um, the topic. And the project that they did took a few days. So I had sent it to them, I believe on Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. So they had a few days to work on it. So if you got a 3.0 by doing makeup goals at the end of the week, I didn't send it to you. I sent it to those students that had worked hard all along and were able to show that they understood without having to do makeup goals. Okay. Guys, please, I hope that you have figured out that I'm really willing to work with you. It's just you have to let me know. If you don't ever email me, if you don't ever come to Zooms, I don't know that you're struggling. You just might be somebody that is choosing not to do anything at home. So I'm not going to hunt you down if you're choosing not to do stuff at home. But if you need help, email me and I will help you. Sorry, I have a tickle in my throat all of a sudden. So again, um, just email me. That's all I can keep saying, keep saying, keep saying. Okay. So see you guys at our Zoom on Tuesday.